am Brianna Hand, and I am walking Riley K. Chris plays games. Chris, dog.
That is me.
Come on.
Hi guys. She's a first YouTuber, so I'm helping her out. She doesn't really know how to do YouTube. So yeah, this is her first time doing it. So let's get this thing.
Very first time. I like to run, and so does this dog. My favorite color is purple, of course. My routine is get up, eat,
Dog.
and then play, which I don't really think that is the same to do.
Now we're gonna run with the dog.
My favorite subject is gym.
Duh. My favorite thing too.
My favorite shape is a heart. Hearts are beautiful. Then
Hey, you can't go
yeah.
past that 9. Don't let him go down there. Pull him. Come on. Come on.
I passed what?
Come on. We're gonna run. We're gonna run. Oh my god.
The dog took action.
Okay, we're gonna do it again. Ready? Dog! Okay, so this is gonna be the end. Bye guys. Bye. Please subscribe, like this video, comment, and comment down below. Bye.